Alright, so here we're going to be solving linear equations, and we're going to be combining like terms. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to combine like terms on the left and then on the right. So for example here, 4x and 5x are like terms because they both have the exact same variable. They both have x and to the same degree. So if I combine that, negative 4x plus 5x just gives me x, and then I'm going to bring down the negative 1. Right, then I'm going to do the same thing on the right. So I have 9x and negative 7x. Those are like terms. I'm going to combine those. That's going to give me 2x, and then I'm going to bring down the 3. And now I'm going to solve like I have before. So my goal is to move all the variables over to one side and all the numbers over to the other side. So I'm going to subtract the x over. So I'm going to bring down the negative 1 equals x plus 3. And then I'm going to move over that 3 to the other side, so I have to subtract it. So x is equal to negative 4. And then remember, you could check your answer by plugging it back in.